Hey, it's not Christmas yet. You're not Santa Claus, and that's right. I'm not the Green Grinch. I'm the Green Grouch. Let me sleep, and don't wake me up until you see Santa. Tell him all I want for Christmas is trash. Oh, can I scare ya? You look a little petrified. Should we call the ambulance? Maybe you need to take a little trip down to the cellar for a little wine.
Hey, Bonehead, listen up.
Yeah? What now, Morphus?
About how long did it take for your face to fall off?
I don't know. It has been sagging off since I turned about 40. Then one day I had a bad dream that I had died, and when I woke up, my face was gone.
Welcome to the delightful, the strange, and the frightful.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and ghouls, robots, monsters, goblins, and fools. Hello to all the freaks and the geeks, and the yummy little children with the rosy red cheeks. A little of this and a pinch of that, and it's so nice for the nice and fat. I hope you will stay for dinner. We'd like to have you. Samatronics Halloween Extreme is proud to present the Monster Nuts Bolts and Bolts Robotics Extravaganza. Hey, wait a minute there, Witch Snaggletooth. I am green, I am hairy, and my trash can might smell, but I am not a monster, and I am not a mutt or a nut. Well, I guess maybe I am a nut because I'm talking to a robot witch. Good night. Well, boys and ghouls, what do you think? Should we put the green grouch into the magic brew?
Yeah! Cook him up!
Maybe we should cook him up. What do you think? Put him in the brew, yeah? You think so? We should cook him up. Let's cook him up. Put him in the brew, yes.
Well, I am rather hungry, and I do like green. Plus, it's not like I'm counting calories over here. Let's cook him up.
Yikes, get me out of here. I always had a thing for that woman. She still dresses well. She still has that sexy walk. Or now more, maybe of a wobble, I guess. Well, anyway, love hurts. You're all crazy. The walker left us all alone because none of us are alive. We're all just freak show robots. And zombie walkers don't find us very edible. Or entertaining, for that matter.
Oh, speak for yourself, Witch Snaggletooth. I don't have any meat on my bones, so I'm not very edible. But I think I find myself pretty entertaining.
Shut those pumpkin pie holes, you jabbering idiots. I get no respect around here. Whose magic kitchen is this anyway? Maybe my spells are starting to wear off these graveyard ghouls and fools. I am 201 years old, you know. Maybe I'm getting a little rusty. Sam the mad scientist tells me that I am just a rusty old robot. Well, maybe my spells are not what they used to be. Well, you know, just because there is snow on the rooftop, it does not mean that there isn't still heat in the furnace. Before we begin, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Witch Hagatha von Stegelmeister, but all my enemies call me Witch Snaggletooth. This means that if you are wise, you too will call me Witch Snaggletooth.
Well, anyway, back to my trip and fall story. So, there I was lying face down in the middle of the cemetery. I looked up, and to my delight and surprise, this tombstone was funny. I liked it so much that I tried to carry it home with me, but it was too big and heavy for my skinny, rattling old bones. Boy, do I miss biceps. My tombstone is cheap and light like me, so as you can see, I carry it with me everywhere I go. I use my tombstone to prop up my skinny old junk. Isn't that sweet?
Oh, brother, for the sake of old bones and tombstones, just get back in your grave.
For your information, Crouchy, I am not dead. I don't have a grave. That is my bed back there. And the only reason it is 6 feet deep is so I don't have to hear you complain all the time.
Yeah, and that goes ditto for me. I've heard enough babbling for one day. Hey, Bonehead, listen up.
Yeah? What now, Morphus?
About how long did it take for your face to fall off?
I don't know. It has been sagging off since I turned about 40. Then one day I had a bad dream that I had died, and when I woke up, my face was gone.
Oh, jeepers creepers. He still thinks that was a dream. Read your own tombstone. When you were alive, your name was Ned, and now you're a dead bonehead. Yeah, Grouchy, you know he just ain't never gonna get it. Ain't nothing ever gonna sink into that old numbskull.
I am not dead. This is not my graffiti tombstone. This is just what I borrowed from a dead guy named Ned to prop up my skinny junk. Again, and I repeat, do I look dead? Well, do I? Anyway, meathead, why do you ask about my shining, hardcore, bone white, and smooth complexion?
Well, Bonehead, you see, I was just wondering about how long it might take for my face to fall off. The ladies of the evening don't take much liking to me. I don't rightly care for it much. And makeup don't seem to make any difference anymore.
You gotta be freaking kidding me.
Now, why they always have to laugh and poke at us short guys? You might want to keep it quiet. And don't forget about that walker. Oh, I wish I could forget
Must
about
we
her.
keep up this jibber-jabber, graveyard, yickety-yak nonsense, blah, blah, blah?
I have to agree with Witch Snaggletooth. This is hideous.
Jabber, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, blah, 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 cackle, 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 blah, 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 yakety yak, jibber, jabber, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, yakety yak, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, blah, 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 jibber, jabber, yakety yak, cackle, cackle.
As I walked out on the streets of Laredo, as I walked out on Laredo one day, I spied a cowboy.
My name's Bonehead Ned, and I'm not dead. That's right, I'm not dead. Bonehead Ned, that's my name. Yep, I'm not dead. No, I'm not. I'm not dead. My name's Bonehead Ned,
clay.
and I'm not dead.
Oh, fiddlesticks! Boneheads, meatheads, potheads, trash heads, pumpkin heads. Shut your pumpkin pie holes. Just too many Emmy Award winners around here.
Scared the crap out of you. So the Reaper's gonna get you. Did that scare you?
Yes.
No, it didn't. You guys are pretty brave. Okay, now you gotta go in there. Turn to your right.
Welcome to Monster Nuts, Bolts, and Balls!
Would you like to get together? Maybe a little later? Are you feeling a little lonely like me? What do you say? How about it? A little bit of caffeine wouldn't hurt anybody.
Once again, full goons, children dressed in costumes, jack-o'-lanterns come alive, and sing this British tune. Witches fly upon their brooms, spirits rise from their tombs, fighters by the night, it's never candy to and when they're through, they'll leave you with a final. And the sky is clear, the pumpkins rise up just once a year. From hollow ground we can be found.
The children like us big and round.
Calories over here. Let's cook him up.
Yikes, get me out of here.